Welcome to Neelam Zone, and today I am preparing a very cooling and refreshing drink, that is watermelon lemonade. As it is hot out there, this is amazing for your stomach as it is very cooling and refreshing, and it will really make you feel good. So I have taken some pieces of watermelon. I have deseeded them. 1 tablespoon of black salt, juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can make as sweet as you require. Some mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of mint leaves, and ice, that is optional, water, some wedges of lemon, and half a teaspoon of roasted cumin seed powder. So I'm blending all these ingredients in a juicer. I've added water. So let's blend it. Blend it well, and my juice is absolutely ready. You can top it with some ice, and thanks.